वेलकम बैक। तो हमारा चल रहा था कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर क्या होता है। उसमें हम देख चुके हैं कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का कॉन्जुगेट कैसे निकालते हैं, कॉन्जुगेट की प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है। अब जो हमारे पास है वो है कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का मॉड्यूलस क्या होता है। ओके, मॉड्यूलस यानी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की वैल्यू क्या होती है। सो वी नो दैट z इज इक्वल टू a प्लस आई बी। ओके, a प्लस आई बी। Then mod of z represented by this is called as modulus of complex number. This is equal to under root of a square plus b square. Okay, this is very simple. So if you have 2 plus 3i, this is z, then modulus of z is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square, which is under root. Okay, so this was modulus of complex number. Now what we have to discuss is what are the properties of modulus. What are the properties of modulus? First property is modulus of z is equal to modulus of z bar is equal to modulus of minus z. Okay, so whenever you take modulus, whether it is modulus of z or it is modulus of z bar or minus z, it is same. Next, what we have, second one is modulus of z is equal to 0. Modulus of z 0 कब होता है? If and only if. ये 0 तभी होगा जब रियल पार्ट ऑफ z भी 0 हो एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ z भी 0। जब दोनों 0 होंगे तभी ये हो सकता है। So next what we have, third one is modulus of z square is equal to z into z bar. Z into complex conjugate of z gives us modulus of z square. Fourth is mod of z1 into z2 is equal to mod z1 into mod z2. Okay, and fifth is modulus of z1 by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 by modulus of. So these are the 5 basic important properties which you need to remember. Okay, these are the basic 5 important properties which you need to remember about modulus of complex number. Modulus of complex number. Okay, so moving forward after modulus, अगर आपको इनके प्रूफ जानने हैं, अगर आपको इन प्रॉपर्टीज का प्रूफ जानना है तो आप नोट्स को देखें, उसमें समझ जाएगा। ओके, अगर आपको अभी तक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर समझ आए हैं तो इनके प्रूफ आपको नोट्स में समझ आएंगे। कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप हमें कमेंट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हाट इज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज रेसिप्रोकल। सो वी हैव टू सी व्हाट इज रेसिप्रोकल। So if z is equal to a plus iota b, then 1 by z is known as reciprocal of complex number z, and it is equal to 1 by a plus ib. Now, the process which I will do here is used, उसी को आप यूज करते हैं जब भी आपको किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड करना होता है। Okay, so what you do is just multiply by a minus ib. So what you will get is a minus ib upon a square plus b square. A minus ib is z bar and a square plus b square is modulus of z square. Since modulus of z was what? Root of a square plus b square. So if you square both sides, then you will get a square plus b square is equal to modulus of z square. So whenever you need to find reciprocal, either you can proceed like this, or if you want you can directly use this formula that reciprocal of z, that is 1 by z, is equal to z bar, that is complex conjugate of z, divided by square of modulus of z. Let's have a look at an example. Suppose z is equal to 2 plus 3i. Then what is z bar? I am going to verify the formula. Okay, first let me see what is z bar. Z bar is 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Modulus of z is root of 2 square plus 3 square, which is root 13. Then modulus of z square is 13. Okay, So what I get is 1 by z is equal to z bar. Z bar is 2 minus 3i by 13. Okay. And if somebody asks me to represent this in the form of a plus ib, then this is the answer. Where 2 by 13 is the real part of 1 by z and minus 3 by 13 is the imaginary part of minus z. Now let us proceed in this manner. Okay. I'll change the color. So 1 by z, that is 1 by a plus ib. Sorry, it was 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. Multiply by conjugate, so 2 minus 3i upon 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. And we know whenever we need to multiply two numbers to conjugate number, what we do? First we write the real part, that is a1 into a2 minus b1 into b2. So a1 into a2, 2 into 2, 4 minus b1 into b2. b1 is 3, b2 is minus 3. Okay, b2 is minus 3. So 3 into minus 3 is minus 9 and this minus. So this becomes plus iota times a1 into b2, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus a2 into b1, 2, 3, 6. So this gets cancelled, this value is 0. So we get 2 minus 3i by 13, which is same what we got. So how we find reciprocal? Either use the formula, that z bar upon modulus of z square, or proceed in this manner. Okay, sometimes it might happen that this formula is difficult to use. Okay, you will find difficulty in using this formula. So it's better to proceed in this manner to find reciprocal of any complex number. Okay, now if you look carefully, what is reciprocal? What is reciprocal? Reciprocal is just the inverse, multiplicative inverse. I should say reciprocal is just what? Multiplicative inverse. When we studied the properties of multiplication, we have seen that multiplicative inverse is z inverse, which is equal to 1 by z. So reciprocal is nothing but multiplicative inverse. Let's see next topic. So next what we have is triangle inequality of complex numbers. Triangle inequality, you might have heard triangle inequality, that modulus of a plus b is always less than or equal to modulus of a plus modulus of b, right? So similar we have here that modulus of z1 plus z2 is less than equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. This is the triangle inequality. That whenever you take addition of two complex numbers and then you take the mod value, is always less than equal to particular addition of modulus values of complex numbers. जब भी आप किसी दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का एडिशन लेते हैं और फिर मॉड्यूलस वैल्यू लेते हैं, वो हमेशा या तो छोटी होगी या बराबर होगी किससे? दोनों नंबर के मॉड्यूलस के एडिशन से, दोनों नंबर के मॉड्यूलस के एडिशन से। इसको वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं। सपोज z1 is 2 plus 3i, z2 is minus 3 plus 4i, then z1 plus z2 is equal to what? This plus this and this plus this. Addition, I have already taught you what is addition. Just add the real part, this is minus 1, and add the imaginary part, 7i. Now find what is modulus of z1, modulus of z2, modulus of z1 plus z2. Okay, so modulus of z1 is root of 4 plus 9. Root of 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9, that is root 13. Then modulus of this is minus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. This is root 25, which is equal to 5. Then modulus of z1 plus z2 means this. So under root 1 plus 49. This is under root 50. Under root 50. So this is actually 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Now just compare them. Compare them how? We have to compare 5 root 2 with 5 plus root 13. 5 root 2 with 5 plus root 13. Okay, so using calculator, you can calculate that 5 root 2 will always be either less or equal to this value. Okay, try using calculator and calculate the value, you will get your answer. Okay, one more thing, here we have taken addition. Similarly, we can take for subtraction. Z1 minus Z2 mod is less than equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Okay, look very carefully. I have written addition here and here minus. Okay, so if you need to verify this, take the same example and you can verify how we get this answer. Okay, another important thing for subtraction, modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2 is less than equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2. In case of subtraction, particular subtraction of modulus values is less than equal to subtraction modulus value. Okay, what I want to say is, अगर आप किन्हीं दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का मॉड्यूलस लेते हैं और उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, वो जो आंसर आता है वो लेस देन इक्वल टू होगा, वो छोटा होगा या बराबर होगा किससे? अगर आप पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन करके फिर जो आंसर आया उसकी मॉड्यूलस वैल्यू निकालते हैं. ठीक है, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में उल्टा है. देखिए, एडिशन के केस में ये था और सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में ये. So remember how we use modulus and how we use the triangle inequality in case of addition and subtraction. So this was a video about modulus, reciprocal and triangle inequality of complex numbers. In next video, we will look at one of the most important topic that is called as cube roots of unity. That is called as cube roots of unity. You know the square roots of unity, right? Square root of unity is 1. Square root of unity is plus minus 1. But what is the cube root of unity? This you need to find. So we will look in the next video about this. Tab tak ke liye thanks for watching and keep supporting.